Hi everyone. I hope everyone is doing well at their places and loving whatever you're doing. And I just hope that everyone who has already given their J mains January 1st attempt is doing okay. I hope you are at peace mentally. Um, I hope no one is being, I really hope no one is so demotivated that they stop doing other things in life because, eventually things do work out. Like maybe not instantly, but they do. And yeah, I think you already have some idea of what you want to do next. Yeah. So let's talk about me now. Tomorrow is my J mains first attempt. Finally, the paper I've been talking about like for months. I remember when there was like 150 days left, and now it's here. A few hours to go. Not even a full day left. And honestly, I don't know what I'm feeling because yeah, I don't know. But I am not, I'm not like this is the final, this is the last exam. For me, this is just my first paper, the starting point. There are more exams, more attempts, more things ahead. Uh, and yeah, what I wanted to put. Yeah, about the paper, I think I've checked everything I need to carry tomorrow. All done, I guess. The center is pretty far too, around 40 to 45 minutes away. So I'll have to leave around 12 or 12:15 in the afternoon. And that's about the things. I also tried, like, I was studying today, like properly from a JE perspective after a long time. As you already know, that I've stopped giving mock and everything. It's been like 20 to 25 days since I've stopped doing all of that. So, yeah, and I realized today that this break was needed, and I'm not regretting at all. I feel like, yeah, from tomorrow onwards, though I know I have a lot on my plate, another attempt, other exams, other plans, and everything. Um, Saturday, Sunday will mostly go in the exam itself. Like my shift is second shift, so half the day is already gone. I'll probably give myself just this one Sunday as a small break. Even then, on that day also, I have things to do: form filling, planning, figuring stuffs out. There's a lot, and that's honestly like why I'm uploading this today, because maybe like no matter, I'll just make this video unlisted or private later. But the main point of recording is documenting myself through all of this. And what am I feeling right now? Calm and relaxed, because I think I've trained myself to be calm about whatever happens tomorrow. I want to take it positively as something that is like something to learn from. And as for the paper itself, like from whatever discussions I've seen so far, the shifts have been really unpredictable. Doesn't feel like there were easy shifts as such. And chapters I haven't done properly, especially from 11, seem to be coming with decent weightage. Anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow. And after this exam, I'll probably upload another video talking about how I actually felt, because, like, why not? So, yeah, that is that for today.